What's up? It's me, Tommy Mac. In this video, we're going to be talking about the old CAD scraper. There aren't many tools on this planet that make me feel stupid, but this little piece of metal right here made me feel like an idiot. And it really took me a long time to wrap my head around what this does. Now, basically, this is just a piece of spring steel, and it has what we call a little burr on the end. It's what they used before sandpaper, and what it does is makes the surface of the piece of wood nice and flat. Now, let me show you how to make this thing sharp. It's very simple if you just follow what I'm trying to tell you, all right? First, I'm going to come to my diamond plate. I'm going to lay it flat. It's all the way across the edge. Check out my finger orientation, all right? I'm going to go across, and I'm just going to make a couple of passes, okay? Then I'm going to flip it over and do the same thing. Just like that. Once I have these nice and flat, I'm going to hold it upright 90 degrees on my stone. See, this is 90 degrees. And I'm just going to easily, with light pressure, go back and forth. You can hear it cutting, right? That's pretty good. Then I'm going to pick it up and I'm going to try to feel for a burr. You can even hear it, right? And I can feel that it's starting to be created on this side. So I'm just going to concentrate on this side. You want to make sure you don't do that too much because this is a really sensitive piece of steel and you'll crush that burr, all right? So now that I have the burr created, I'm just going to move it 2 degrees off 90. You see that's just like a little bit or whatever, you know what I mean? You just don't want to go too far. Once you feel like you can buzz down enough material, make a few more passes, and hopefully that's going to be it. So let me come over to this piece of wood. Now this is tiger maple, all right? And it ain't easy to use a card scraper on. So you can see that this is 90 degrees, nothing's going to happen. Nothing's happening, right? But then I'm going to drop it down. See how it bites the piece of wood? That tells me that's the angle I need to keep my hands in. The way that it works is I'm going to hold my thumbs in the back of it. I'm going to bend it just a little tiny bit. And watch. Huh? Is that freaking awesome or what? You push on it and it just comes across, creates these beautiful curls. It's just awesome. I'm telling you, it's like the friggin' best feeling. I can't believe that I struggled for like years. It's so simple. I mean, you see that? I can make the surface nice and smooth. And these beautiful little shavings come right off the tip. For me to be able to tune these up quickly, efficiently, and easily is very important because I use them all the time. I use them for glue scrapers. I use them to like scrape finish off, whatever. I mean, look at this thing. It's got oil all over it. So I always have one of these off to the side, and trust me, if you just do what I just did, you're gonna be able to tune this thing up in 2 seconds and you ain't gonna feel like an idiot either, like I did for like 10 years. All right, well, I'm Tommy Mac. I'll see you next time.